Okay, friends, we are going this time from 3.75 grams of nitrogen gas to grams of hydrogen gas. So 3.75 grams of N2 going to how many grams of H2? We have our formula that's here. Notice it's already balanced. Both of these being diatomics, so we need to do N2 and H2 using coefficients to balance out. So therefore, we're going to start with 3.75 grams of N2 to make our skeleton. What are we going to put next? Well, again, units go down. So grams of N2 become moles of N2. The tool we use to do that is the molar mass of N2. So we look at our periodic table and we see that nitrogen is 14.007. We multiply that by 2. We get 28.014 grams in 1 mole. We've completed the, that little dot won't go away. We've now gotten to moles of nitrogen. We need to change compounds. We've got to go from nitrogen to hydrogen. Units go down. So moles of N2 become moles of H2. Where do we find, or what tool do we use here? We're using our coefficients. So therefore, we come up, look at our formula. We've got N2, we've got H2, we've got 3, and we've got 1, based upon the numbers here. Now that we're in moles of H2, we don't want moles, we want grams. So therefore, again, units go down. Moles of H2 into grams of H2. 1 mole always with molar mass. We're using the same tool as we did before, but it's not the molar mass of nitrogen, it's the molar mass of hydrogen. So we look at the periodic table, we find it's 1.008. We double it to make 2.016. And now we the numbers into our calculators, multiplying this times this times this times this, and this times this, and then divide those two things. So 3.75 times 3 times 2.016 gives us 22.68. We divide that by 28.014. We get an answer of 809.592. We look back at our original number right up here. We say, oh, 3.75, that's 3 significant digits. So this is just a placeholder. So 1, 2, 3, right? This is just a placeholder. 3 significant digits, look at the 5. Ignore these guys. 5 tells the 9 to go up 1. The 9 tells the 0 to go up 1. So I end up with 0.810, and I must put that 0 in the end to make it 3 grams of H2.